Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. First up this evening, amid concerns about an increase in job scams, the Labour Ministry is again urging job seekers to remain vigilant. Minister Pearnel Charles Jr. issued the call this week after questions were raised about a recruitment drive being advertised in St. Catherine. This flyer making rounds on social media advertising a mass recruitment drive for farm work opportunity in Canada caught the eyes of some Jamaicans seeking employment overseas. But it also caught the attention of the Ministry of Labour and Social Security, who issued a scam alert forcing the organisers to pull the brakes on the event. This man, claiming to be the organiser, says he's since made contact with the ministry.
The reality is that there are meetings had already and meetings to come as it relates to if we can continue or operate any at all. As such, I've collected documentations to regularize locally.
Despite that assertion, Labour and Social Security Minister Pearnel Charles Jr. explained that those looking to host recruitment drives must make contact with the ministry. As it relates to the farm work program,
the ministry is the only entity in Jamaica with the legal authority to place Jamaicans in farm work overseas. And so therefore we are urging the public to exercise caution whenever you're responding to overseas employment advertisements, particularly where they're asking you for a fee, processing fee or other fees.
The development comes at a time when there have been reports of job scams, with some Jamaicans paying thousands to job recruiters for placement. The minister is encouraging job seekers to conduct their necessary checks.
Failure to conduct the necessary due diligence could result in you being exposed to fraud, identity theft, and financial loss. So this is a serious matter. And we have urged the public to just stay vigilant.